In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your microphone of your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Plus, Pro Max does not work. So if you're trying to call somebody and it doesn't work at all, or maybe the person doesn't hear you properly, what you can do, well, I'll show you a few different solutions, so hopefully one of them will work. The easiest thing you can do, because sometimes it's a software issue, is to restart your phone. And to do so, you're going to simply press, we'll do a forced restart. So press the volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button. Keep it pressed until the screen is completely dark. Then you can release the power button. Okay, it's dark, I can release it. The phone will restart, and in about 30-40 seconds, you'll be able to use your phone back again. If your phone screen stays dark, all you have to do is to press the volume down and power button, and it will wake it up. There's another solution that only take a few seconds. I'm going to go in settings, and then in settings, okay, here, if you go down, you're going to see all the apps, and if you have a mic problem with a certain specific app, you need to find it here in this list, tap on it, and usually you're going to have microphone, and make sure you give permission to use the mic. So you should have a small toggle here, tap the toggle until it's green, because your app necessarily needs your permission to make the mic work. Now, if any of these two first solutions didn't work, don't worry, because sometimes there is lint or other dirt or debris that gets stuck in the mic of your phone that is over here. And what you need to do is very simple. Take a toothbrush or a small brush like this one, but I guess everyone has a toothbrush, especially one that they don't use. And what you'll need to do is to gently brush the mic ports that are over here on the left side. So go ahead and gently brush. Make sure that there's nothing stuck over there, no dirt, no lint. If you put your phone in your pocket, there's lint that accumulates there. So do this during about 30 seconds, a minute. You don't need to push it very hard. You just need to do some circular motion. Make sure that the bristles enter those holes. And then additionally, what you can take is a toothpick. Or if you don't have a toothpick, in the box with your iPhone, you get one of these SIM eject tool that is about like a toothpick. And all you have to do is to gently go in each of these mic hole, it enters perfectly, and wiggle it around and get any dirt, debris, dust that is stuck there. Do this for every of these three different holes. If you're here, you can also clean the USB Type-C port, because if you have lint over here, you're going to have more lint in the port as well. So just be careful and go around and take out if there's anything stuck there. And since you're here, well, clean also the speaker holes. Okay, do the same thing. A lot of time, especially if you don't hear, the person that you talk to doesn't hear you well, it means that these are blocked. And everyone keeps the phone in a pocket or a purse or somewhere where there is dust. So this will get clogged up after a few months, depending your situation. So hopefully this will solve your problem. You can try calling back, and if it works, great. If you're still having problem with your iPhone microphone, one thing you can check is to go into settings, and under Bluetooth, okay, here, Bluetooth, make sure that there's no device connected. Because again, sometimes, let's say you have some AirPods or some other earphones, the iPhone will try using the mic of that separate device, and this mic won't work because the other mic is working. So what you can do is to turn off Bluetooth and then try calling somebody and see if your mic works. If it worked, it just means that you had a device connected to your iPhone that was using the external mic and your phone wasn't using the internal mic. So when you put back the Bluetooth, go ahead and check which device could have been causing this problem, and this way you can maybe turn off that device. So hopefully one of these solutions worked for you. I hope so, because I know it could be very frustrating to have your mic not working. Please leave a comment down below if one of these worked. If you have other solutions, please write them down below. I'm sure somebody will be very, very grateful to find those. So leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.